Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about gas safety valve 1/2 for Anets Part P8904-84. The gas safety valve 1/2 for Anets Part P8904-84 is a safety device designed to protect against gas leaks in commercial kitchen equipment. It is a spring-loaded valve that is installed between the gas supply line and the appliance. The valve will shut off the gas supply if it detects an unsafe level of pressure or flow. This helps to prevent dangerous situations such as fires, explosions, and carbon monoxide poisoning. The valve is designed to be used with Anets brand commercial kitchen equipment and is made of durable brass construction for long last. This part fixes the following symptoms. The gas safety valve 1/2 for Anets Part P8904-84 is designed to prevent gas leaks and provide safe operation of gas appliances. It is used to shut off the gas supply in the event of a malfunction or emergency. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Disconnect the existing gas safety valve from the appliance. 3. Install the new Anets P8904-84 gas safety valve in its place, making sure that all connections are tight and secure. 4. Connect the gas supply line to the inlet of the new valve using a flare nut wrench to ensure a tight connection. 5. Connect the outlet of the new valve to the appliance, again using a flare nut wrench for a secure connection. 6. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks at all connections with a soapy water solution or L. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.